guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install these gorgeous versatile boohoo crochet box braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Rockville comb and my Shine and Jam to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. And then once I'm done, I'm going to take my scrunchie and secure the rest of the hair in the back because I'm going to start working with the front first. I'm going to start by sectioning out very simple straight lines, you know, going all the way to the middle right there. So I'm just going to take my Shine and Jam and then apply it to that section just to make sure it is really nice and clean and juicy or whatever. And then I'm just gonna pull out my baby hairs just for later on, so we're about to be looking cute out in the streets, period. Anyway, so once I do that, I'm going to start sectioning out the boxes. So I'm going to section one box at a time. And then I'm going to take my Shine and Jam, make sure the line is really nice and straight and clean. And then I'm just going to secure the rest of the hair out of the way and start working with that single box right there. Take a little bit more of the Shine and Jam, apply it to the section right there, exactly the way I'm doing. So I'm going to section the hair into two and then just twist it all the way down. Oh my gosh, how easy is this style right here? Let me tell you something. The twisting is really perfect because it's really easy to take down. Once I'm done twisting the hair all the way down, I'm going to section the second box. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing, taking my Shine and Jam, applying it to the little second section right there, and then sectioning the hair into two, taking the hair from the first section to the second section in a piggyback form, and then twisting it together all the way down, sis. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody, when I say anybody can really do this, you better believe me, because all you gotta do is try, sis. You can't say you have failed until you try. Come on, in 2024 we're about to be looking cute, period. Hell. But while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Okay, so I'm going to section the second section right there, taking the hair out of the way, and then I'm going to start doing the boxes again. So I'm going to start with the first box, then I'm going to start taking, you know, a little bit more of the Shine and Jam, applying it to that section right there, making sure it is really nice and sleek or whatever, and then I'm going to section it into two and twist it all the way down. This is a very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. Taking my Shine and Jam, applying it to the section, making sure it is really nice and slick. I'm going to section the hair into two, taking the hair from the first section to the second section in a piggyback form, and then twisting it together all the way down. If you have never done any of my styles, this one right here, you better try, sis. Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. You that's subscribing right now, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And to my OGs, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Oh my gosh, can you guys believe we're at 700,000 subscribers? Let's get to 1 million subscribers, because baby, at this point it is up from here. I have 4 boxes on the middle and then 3 boxes on the sides. So together I have 12 sections. I'm just going to start sectioning my hair in the back. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like little sections all the way to the back. I don't even mind about getting them really nice and straight, because baby, that's not even going to show at all. So I'm going to take the remaining hair that's from the boxes. I'm just gonna braid it down together with the hair in the back, and that way, you know, it looks really nice and sleek. It looks neat. It looks like, you know, Miss Tupo1 knows what she's doing right about now. Okay, so that's all I'm doing, and I'm just gonna braid the hair all the way down exactly the way I'm doing, sis. Very very, very easy. You can see the hair in the back is not straight at all. I was just making sure I get this braids down or whatever. This right here takes me about 30 minutes to do, including the boxes and the corners in the back. And then the install is gonna take me another 30. All right, guys, so once I'm done with the boxes and the braids in the back, I'm going to be using this free trace braid, and this is the Boohoo Hippie braid. It is 22 inches and it is in color T27. Okay, and this comes 24 strands in one pack, and I'm using 4 packs. Okay. The loop right here, as you guys can see, it is tiny, okay, but I'm going to show you guys how to work this right here. So I'm going to be using this basic crochet needle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, and then place the crochet hair on the hook, and then close it and pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm not gonna pull it all the way out. I'm gonna go back into the loop right there. As you guys can see, the loop is tiny, so I'm gonna go into it with the crochet needle, and then I'm going to go all the way to the corner of the crochet hair and place the crochet hair onto the hook and then pull it out. Very, very easy, guys. This is what you need to do. I'm going to show you guys again. Place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, you won't pull it all the way out. You want to go into the loop right there and then go all the way down to the crochet braid, okay? Make sure the curls are really on the hook right there, because you want to make sure when you're pulling them out, they're nice and straight, okay? You don't want to mess the curls up. You want to make sure these curls are looking all the way cute, okay? Place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. Go all the way to the corner, you know, to the end of the braid, and then place the crochet hair onto the hook and then pull it out. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. Place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. I'm gonna go back into the loop and then go all the way to the corner, you know, to the end of the braid, and then place the crochet hair onto the hook and then pull it out. So I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the braiding hair, the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. I'm gonna go back into the loop right there, and then go all the way to the corner of the crochet hair and then place it on the hook and then pull it out. Can you guys see how nice and neat those braids are looking already? This is not even done, and I'm already feeling myself like I have individual braids. I am loving these braids right about now. I'm not even done yet, but I'm already feeling myself, baby. When I'm in a rush, if I want to do something quick and just look cute, this is my go-to style right here. So I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the braiding hair, the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. Then go all the way to the corner of the braiding hair of the crochet hair, and then place it on the hook and then pull it out. Once you pull it out, you're going to give it a little tug. I love my side part. I want to make sure the side part is looking really nice and realistic. So I'm just gonna make sure, you know, when I get to the top right there, I have the braids close together. That way they look realistic. That is why I had 4 pieces on the top right there, because I didn't want them spaced all the way out, okay? I wanted them to look as realistic as possible. I wanted them to look like they are individual braids. I can rock it up, I can rock it down, I can rock it sideways, I can rock it middle part, side part, whatever. I wanna make sure you are able to do this hair and rock it any way you want. Place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm not gonna go all the way out. I'm gonna go back into the loop and then place the crochet hair onto the hook and then pull it out. Okay, very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. Once I'm done doing the crochets, I'm gonna get this Gummy Professional Edge Control. I love this one as well, okay? So I'm just gonna be taking this and then using the brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. Make sure my baby hairs are nice and laid or whatever. All right, so I'm just gonna take my styling strip and make sure everything is nice and laid and situated. And baby, when I tell you, these boohoo box braids came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am loving these braids right about now. Let me know if you guys are feeling them. Let me know in the comments if you guys are loving them. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style or whatever, because I am feeling myself right about now. I am loving how these curls are popping. I did not do anything to this hair. I mean, I did not do anything, okay? All I did was install it on my head and I was out at the door. That's about it. I gotta give you some options on how you can rock these braids, okay? So I'm just gonna flip them all the way to the side. Yes, honey, I am loving this as well. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling them. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying them. If I want to do something quick and just look cute, this is my go-to style right here, okay? And of course, I gotta give you a half up, half down situation bun action, okay? The bun action is coming all the way through with the little curls popping as well. Look at me. I am just over here just feeling myself right about now. And let me know in the comments below if you guys think this is a hot style. Let me know if you guys have tried this or are going to be trying this. And then I'm just gonna pull out the two braids in the front as well, sis. When I tell you, this came all the way through as well. Look at me over here just feeling like a whole lot of money. And then I'm just gonna give you the middle part right there. It is coming all the way through. I am loving it. Oh my God, these braids, nice and light and easy to install. What? Girl, I'm telling you, we are about to be saving money, time, and everything in 2024 because, baby, who is going to sit down for 5 hours to get their boohoo box braids? Not me. Oh my gosh, you already know when my voice is this hyper, it means what? It means this style is easy peasy lemon squeezy. And when I tell you that, it is really true, okay? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 1 million subscribers because, baby, at this point, it is up from here. But make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mamas, and your aunts, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!